Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different from the usuals. As you guys can see, my daughter Ava has a ton of hair. So to make life easier for myself, I generally like to keep it braided up. Now, I've gotten a ton of questions on things that I do for my daughter's hair as far as hair care and all the different hairstyles that I do. So I figured why not just create a little mini series of hair care and hairstyle tutorials. So if you are interested in getting this super cute look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so obviously any good hairstyle needs to start off with clean, fresh hair. So I start off by washing my daughter's hair. This isn't Ava's favorite part of the process, so the iPad does sometimes help. So I just go ahead and lather her up really good. I will rinse it and then repeat that process 2 times, usually depending on how much product that she has in her hair. And once I go ahead and rinse all of the shampoo out, I go ahead and go in with the conditioner. I like to slightly section it off first and go in with the conditioner, and then once I feel like I've got a good amount of conditioner through most of her strands, then I'll go in and detangle it with a wide tooth comb and follow that up with a detangling brush. So the next step is another one that's not particularly Ava's favorite. So usually getting her like some snacks or distracting her with a movie, it'll help. But I basically detangle some more. I'll go ahead and get some extra virgin coconut oil, and usually I use argan oil as well, but I ran out of that. So right now I'm using Miele's rosemary and mint scalp oil, but I'll just moisturize her hair and detangle at the same time and kind of just work my way through her hair in sections. But having curly hair, it does get tangled pretty easily, so again, not her favorite, but she seemed to handle it like a champ. Once you're done moisturizing and detangling the hair, to start the hairstyle, you just want to section the hair off by doing a part across the hair like you see me doing here. And once it's sectioned off and parted to your liking, go ahead and just tie the top part up into a little bun to keep it out of the way while you work on the back. Alright, now once we've got the hair section off, we're going to go ahead and just do a vertical part like so. And once you have that part to your liking, go ahead, section the hair off again to kind of get the rest of the hair out of your way. And this next step is a little bit difficult when you're working with a toddler. Ideally, you can just have someone look down while you braid upward, but it's difficult with a toddler. They don't always do what you need them to. So what I like to do is stand up over Ava and have her lean her head onto my thigh as I go ahead and work on that braid. We're literally going to just repeat that same step throughout the entire back part of her head. Just go ahead and do a vertical part. Once you've got it to your liking, go ahead and work that braid up and repeat. So just in case anyone was wondering, I decided to start with the back of Ava's hair because she does sometimes fall asleep on me whenever I'm braiding her hair. So if I can get the back out of the way, it actually makes it easier for me to braid the front while she sleeps. But if she falls asleep and I still need to get the back, it's super hard for me to get like the nape of her neck. So that's why I start there. So once we are done with the back of the head, I just go ahead and I'm gonna do a braid right down the center of her head. So go ahead and make a part that you can braid right down the center, and my braid here is about, I don't know, maybe like a centimeter in width, but this can be as wide or as skinny as you like it. Of course, make this style your own, but as I'm going through, I am moisturizing. I always do that as well to make sure that her hair is nice and protected, and then I just go ahead and start my cornrow off and braid that hair right down the center. Once we've got that center braid done, we're gonna go ahead and just do 2 cornrows just above the ear, and we're gonna have cornrows coming forward. So go ahead, part the hair, have your daughter turn towards you, resting her head on your thigh once again, and go ahead and cornrow that braid forward towards you, and then just repeat it, the same step on the other side. Once we're done with the braids above the ear, go ahead and part the hair coming from where that middle part is down towards the braids over the ear, and then take it back. And you're going to part the hair that way, and then go ahead and proceed to cornrow. Once you finish that first braid, go ahead and repeat that step 2 more times. So you're going to have 3 braids that you parted, going from the middle braid down toward the ear and then taking it back. So you'll have 3 braids going in that direction, and then you want to just repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Once we're done braiding the hair, grab all of the hair except for the pieces over the ear and tie it up into a ponytail, and then you're just going to twist that around into a top knot bun. For the final step, I just go ahead and add some beads to the 4 braids that are above the ear. I generally stick with clear because it's super versatile and goes with everything, but of course you can choose whatever beads are to your liking, or maybe your daughter's favorite color, and just like that, you are finished. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.